Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this application can't run on this PC. Now, in most cases, guys, this is caused because of security issues with your PC. With that, there will be a file of that application which is flagged by your security systems. Now, quick fix for this, go ahead and search for security. You can see search for Windows security. Now, go ahead and open up Windows security. After that, you see that it will open up this page. Now go ahead and click on virus and threat. Okay. After clicking on virus and threat, go ahead and click on set up for OneDrive. This is recommended. In my case, it's not set. After setting it up, you then come back to account protection over here and then make sure that the dynamic lock is also turned on. Okay. After that, come back to the home page now. Then in the home page, after that, come back and tap on the app and browser control. Go ahead and open it. Then tap on Smart App Control Settings. After that, you need to turn this on. Once you turn it on, you'll be able to install any application you want and it won't bring any error messages. So basically, that's a quick fix for that. Subscribe to our YouTube channel